Will the bankruptcy stop the garnishment of my pay?
The general answer is you betcha. You will take care of a garnishment by filing a bankruptcy, at least during the time that the bankruptcy is still going on, because there's what's called an automatic stay of all activities to collect money, and that would include collecting money by garnishment. However, there are certain kinds of debts that are not stopped by a bankruptcy. For instance, if you're paying child support or spousal support or any kind of domestic support obligation, or you owe any kind of judgment under a divorce or a legal separation, and you have to send that money to your spouse, the bankruptcy won't stop a wage assignment for child support or for spousal support, for instance. But other kinds of debts are halted by the bankruptcy, and the garnishment is included. And if you receive a discharge of that debt, and typically you do get a discharge of that debt in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, if unless the um, unless the creditor has filed an adversarial proceeding to exempt them from the discharge, which is relatively rare, you will get a discharge of those debts. You won't get a discharge, however, of a support obligation. That goes forward. Same thing with guaranteed student loans. If you have a guaranteed student loan, that's not going to be discharged by the bankruptcy. And so if there's a garnishment for that, the garnishment will be halted during the bankruptcy, but at the end of the bankruptcy, it could resume.